Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm showing you how to brown chicken without oil, going back to basics. I grew up in the 90s, and back then my parents or my granny or great granny never used to use oil to fry chicken back, and we never use oil to fry chicken. So this method might take a little bit longer than if you use oil, but it is the best way in terms of health wise. So I am seasoning the chicken with various spices. I written the names so that if you want to use the spices that I use, but you don't have to use the spices that I use. You can use the spices that you like and the amount that you want to use. The chicken is already washed with vinegar and water, drain and pat dry. I leave the skin intact. I also leave the fats on because I need the fats and the skin to make oil to fry the chicken. So I am using fresh herbs as well to season the chicken: onion, hot pepper, scallion and thyme, and 2 cloves garlic. Even though I use garlic powder, but I'm still using garlic. Now put a pot on low heat. You want to make sure that the heat is on low and the pot is very hot before putting the chicken into the pot. And as I mentioned before, browning the chicken will take a little bit more time than when you use oil. Okay? But this is the healthiest way. Now I added the chicken to the pot, and I am gonna allow them to make their own oil. The oil will be coming from the skin and the fat that I leave intact, and I'm gonna cover the pot and let it start to steam fry. So look at the chicken. The pieces are not perfectly brown as if when I use oil. Well, they are perfectly brown because no blood is running, but I mean they are not deep in color as when I use oil, but hey, this is much more healthier. This method of preparing the chicken is called fricassee in Jamaica. It is not stewed chicken, it is fricassee. So look at the chicken, it is delicious and everything nice about it, and no oil was used. Thanks for watching.